Hey there, boxing and MMA enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the Meister Double-End Attachment Kit, a game changer for your training setup. This innovative kit allows you to convert your heavy bag into a double-end bag in just seconds, fitting all heavy bags with a diameter between 12.5 and 15 inches. Say goodbye to excessive bag swing and hello to a more stable target as you secure your heavy bag to any floor anchor with ease. The adjustable rubberized straps grip the bag firmly and can be tightened seamlessly, ensuring no damage to your bag while creating a solid anchoring point. Included in the kit are 10-inch and 24-inch bungee cords with carabiners, adjustable to fit any bag height, making it incredibly versatile for all your training needs. With its patent-pending design, this kit stands out as the only one of its kind in the world, offering a unique solution to enhance your boxing or MMA workouts. So, if you're looking to elevate your training experience, the Meister Double-End Attachment Kit is your go-to choice for transforming your heavy bag into a dynamic training tool. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.